No one will tell you this. I repeat, no one will tell you this. हर एक IP मैट एस्पिरेंट सिर्फ 3 सेक्शंस के लिए प्रिपेयर करता है, QA, VA और DILR. But there is a 4th section that no one has ever told you, which I will be telling you. और funny part पता है क्या? वो जो 4th section है ना, वो computer based test जो होता है आपका, उसमें पूछा भी नहीं जाता है. It is asked when it matters the most. If you have guessed it right, or if you're still guessing and you want to know it, stick with me till the end of this video. This side Priyal, and I will be recoding the 4th section today. So, the 4th section, you must have guessed it, is general awareness. देखो समझने की बात है. आप VA, QA, DILR की तैयारी तो पूरे 1 साल 2 साल कर लेते हो, पेपर दे देते हो, क्लियर भी कर लेते हो, इंटरव्यू कॉल भी आ जाता है. इंटरव्यू कॉल आने के बाद ही आपका इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल होता है 15-20 डेज में या मैक्सिमम 30 डेज में. एंड देन यू रियलाइज अब जीके करनी पड़ेगी, अब जनरल अवेयरनेस समझना पड़ेगा. बट माई डियर फ्रेंड्स, जीके जनरल अवेयरनेस इज इन समथिंग दैट यू कैन जस्ट मग अप इन 15 to 20 डेज. इंटरव्यूअर्स जो होते हैं ना, वो असेस करते हैं कि आपके पास अवेयरनेस कितनी है रिलेटेड टू योर बैकग्राउंड एंड एवरीथिंग. Now, what the interview panel actually wants, one thing that I have learned after interacting with so many IP Mat toppers is this. The panel is not checking how many facts you have memorized. They are checking whether you are an aware person, तुम curious हो या नहीं, whether you understand what's happening around you. जैसे कि अगर तुम जोधपुर, इंदौर या लखनऊ से हो, then just don't know the name of your city, okay? Know why it is called that. उसकी history क्या है, economy क्या है, major industries कौन सी है, culture, demographics, challenges जो city आज भी face करती है. Questions like these, they are very common in interviews. Now the biggest question I get is, what exactly should I study? The answer is simple. You don't need to know everything that is happening in the world, but you should understand the events, ideas, institutions and businesses that shapes the world around you. Remember, IP Mat is not looking for a walking encyclopedia. It's looking for someone who thinks like a future manager. IIMs are after that. Now, to make your preparation easier, I'm dividing general awareness into 4 broad areas. The world around you. Understand major global events, geopolitics, technology, climate, AI. Just don't know the headlines, okay? Understand what's happening and why it matters. Second, India की journey. हर एक मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट को समझना होगा how India evolved. Read about the freedom movement. Bonus if you're a humanities student. The planning era, 1991 liberalization, GST, digital India, and how these decisions changed the country's economy. Third, India की growth story. Learn about UPI, Aadhaar, Jan Dhan, Make in India, skill development, skill movement, direct benefit transfer, स्टार्टअप इंडिया. ये सारे ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हम डेली लाइफ में बात करते हैं, सुनते हैं. आपको इन डेप्थ इनके बारे में पता भी होना चाहिए. Because these are developments that have transformed the country over the decade. Fourth, business or economy. This is probably the most important area. Build the habit of reading business news every day. Know which companies are making headlines. Major startups, IPOs, mergers, acquisitions, CEOs किनका exit हो रहा है, departure हो रहा है, appointment हो रहा है, stock market, inflation, GDP. ये सारी चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी होगी आपको. और इसका मतलब ये नहीं है that you just become an economist. But if someone asks why a company is in the news, you should be able to explain it in simpler words. And अगर ये बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा है, so just follow this habit. Whenever you read a newspaper article, don't try to memorize it. Instead, ask yourself 4 questions. What happened? Why did it happen? Why is it important? And how does it affect people, businesses or the economy? If you build this habit consistently, ना general awareness आपको कोई दूसरा subject नहीं लगेगा. It will actually become the way you understand the world. And that's exactly what IIM interview panelist wants to see. So don't wait until the exam is over. Start building your general awareness from today. Your interview preparation starts now and not after the call.